You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation, vocabulary in English. This is quite a confusing word, right? It's basically pronounced, it comes from group. So in British English it's pronounced as grouper, not grouper. Grouper. It's the name of a fish as well. In American English, grouper. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.